Discovery of electrons. In mid-1850s, many scientists, mainly Faraday, began to study electrical discharge in partially evacuated tubes known as cathode ray discharge tubes. A cathode ray tube is made of glass containing two thin pieces of metal called electrodes sealed in it. The electrical discharge through the gases could be observed only at very low pressures and at very high voltages. The pressure of different gases could be adjusted by evacuation. When sufficiently high voltage is applied across the electrodes, current starts flowing through a stream of particles moving in the tube from the negative electrode, cathode, to the positive electrode, anode. These were called cathode rays or cathode ray particles. The flow of current from cathode to anode was further checked by making a hole in the anode and coating the tube behind anode with phosphorescent material, zinc sulfide. When these rays, after passing through anode, strike the zinc sulfide coating, a bright spot on the coating is developed. This is the same effect which is there on television sets. The results of these experiments are summarized below. 1. The cathode rays start from cathode and move towards the anode. 2. These rays themselves are not visible, but their behavior can be observed with the help of certain kind of materials, fluorescent or phosphorescent, which glow when hit by them. 3. In the absence of electrical or magnetic field, these rays travel in straight lines. 4. In the presence of electrical or magnetic field, the behavior of cathode rays are similar to that expected from negatively charged particles, suggesting that the cathode rays consist of negatively charged particles called electrons. 5. The characteristics of cathode rays, electrons, do not depend upon the material of electrodes and the nature of the gas present in the cathode ray tube. Thus, we can conclude that electrons are basic constituent of all the atoms.